What's going on, my fellow XCN Moon Boys? This thing is up 11.1% today at 1.7 cents. We talked about this coin pretty much daily about the consolidation within that pennant pattern and the weight to the breakout to the upside. And that's exactly what's taking place right here. We said it over and over and over and over. Patience, patience, patience will pay off. And right now, people are reaping the rewards, and it's only the beginning of this next leg up for XCN. $591 million market cap, 34 billion coins in circulation out of 48. All-time high on this coin was 18 cents. I think we easily smashed through that. I say that every single time, and I still believe it today. All-time low was over a year ago. XCN is currently available on quite a few exchanges, guys. So if you're looking for it, it's on the big boy Coinbase. You have Kraken, LBank, Gate, HTX, KuCoin. So a lot of different places you can pick up this coin. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on XCN. All right, everybody, let's get to the XCN. This is what we had drawn last time. I really don't remember what I was talking about, but apparently we were nearing the peak of this pennant, and I thought we were going to break out to the upside to the 786 area, which is exactly what's taking place right now. It's awesome. Oh shoot, I need that line back. I need that line back. So right now, with this big movement to the upside, I still think we have a lot more room to grow before we see a pullback on this coin. The first thing is I do think this coin in the short term is heading up to that 21 cents area to test that 786 resistance area. That area is the defining line right there. That is pretty much the last stand of resistance until you see that nice big parabolic move for XCN. That was our resistance going back to April 2025. You can see that that suppressed us for quite a while, but within this area, we were still in this downtrend resistance area. And I've talked about this over and over on this coin about this consolidation that's happening right here to the breakout to the upside. You think of it like a spring. You squeeze a spring, and when you let the spring go, you shoot up, right? That's exactly what's taking place right here. We consolidated, we're getting super condensed, nearing the peak, and then you break out to the upside. So for XCN, I wouldn't be surprised if we did flirt around with that 21 cents resistance area. Hopefully we smash through on the first try, but if not, you'll probably see a back test of that support and then a parabolic move for XCN. So it's getting very, very close, guys. And if we look at the indicators here for XCN, nice engulfing candle we have today on the MACD with a lot of room to run on the RSI still, guys. A lot of room to run on the RSI, which is awesome. So we're not even close to being overbought. Broke out of this downtrend, which we talked about last video. So we are currently in a big trend reversal for XCN. You can even see we broke out of this short-term downtrend or this downtrend as well, guys. So we are finally breaking out since the downtrend of January 2025. So first time you're actually breaking out in 2025 this year. So here we go. Here we go. Patience pays off, right? Same thing with the stock, or same thing with the WTX. A lot of room to the upside, broke that downtrend. Stock RSI still have a lot of room we can run here, guys. If we look, we normally top out around this general area at about 100. We still have a lot of room to run there. You can see orange is still way down here, not even close to the blue yet. So what we're kind of going to be seeing here is that run up to the 786 area to at about 100, and the blue's going to move sideways for a bit. And then you'll probably see the orange catch up, and then they'll cross over. That's what these flat tops are right here. Blue runs up, and that's where you see the really nice run ups on XCN. So in the short term right now, we're looking solid. We finally a broke that downtrend in 2025. I do think in the short term, we're probably heading back up to that 2021 cents, that last defining line before XCN goes parabolic. So it's still not late. It's still not late. You're still early, guys. We haven't started the parabolic move yet. We just briefly broke out. So we broke out. We're gearing up for the big move. Keep an eye on 20 cents, guys. That is the moon line. With that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins that you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.